What's good with you? Hell yeah. Excuse me. I bet. Shit. Yeah. Yeah. You want me to send you an invite, huh? Gotcha. Yo. Whew. Mm-hmm. Damn, dude. Shit. I didn't hear you doing. gosh. Mm-hmm. You gonna get a new monitor for free, you said? Mm. Damn.
Swapping mags!
What? Wild work. That's not surprising.
Activating Selma sequence. Spark tracker out.
What? How did I miss that shot in his face, bro? That's bullshit. Big if. Boy. Jeez. Somebody straight across right here.
Looking for enemy defense on tracker out. Found enemy electronics. Fire in the hole!
One of them's over here, I bet.
Drone's active.
They immediately shot my drone. Hey, he's on the stairs. He's right here. Yeah, bitch playing below. Warden. Warden's downstairs.
Cover me!
Yeah, Warden's dead. Lit him up a little bit.
Swapping mags.
Bitch. Oh, yeah.
Breach charge going up. Charge going live.
Probably no. God damn, these niggas getting fucking wrecked. Of course, as soon as I look away, that cunt. Oh. Mm-hmm. Nice. I'll be AFK for my reason. That's really bad.
Have a claymore out there to turn so that. Don't tell me he passed out.
Setting trauma pack here.
Barricading the door!
Dirt. My bad. Damn. She did it again. I'm fucking dead.
Fucking go impact on that.
Shit. I don't know how we were on.
Gotta reload.
I'd be up for work. I gotta be at work at 7, bro. And I usually don't go in until 8:30, but it's fine because I'll get off at 3:30 instead of 5. There's a concert tomorrow that we're going to. Motionless in White, Lorna Shore, and fucking Fit for a King, and then there's an opening band. I can't remember their fucking name though. But yeah. The tickets were only like $35. Yeah.
Deploying sensor. Surveying for hostiles.
They're coming in from the backside of the building. They haven't hit one of my goo mines. Yeah, they got a shield up. Shield up. They're breaking in B site.
Heartbeat sensor
Yeah.
deployed.
I got a Nomad too. That's crazy work.
Heartbeat sensor activated.
Lights out! Loading new mag!
Oh, we got the crossfire. Oh, Nomad knew exactly when to shoot. Get the fuck out of here. Alright, Lions over here. One's in sight, Lions in sight. Planting. I know he didn't. There's Nomad that planted. Oh my god. Oh, GG's voice. Yeah. Bet. My shit'll cooperate. It's being fun. There it goes. Finally. You dick. You fucking dickhead, mate. Yeah, I know, and it didn't show it disappeared. Didn't count it. Send me another one. There it goes. Get this shit.
And we're defending.
Bandit all the way.
Ball reinforced. Place device. Device positioned.
Kona station in place.
Shield ready. Healing station in position.
Detonating.
Nobody. Oh, is that Osa on the main window?
Going back there. Well,
Bitch ass cookies. Y'all waited until there was one person left and I still fucked one of you up, bitch. Fuck y'all. Ban an attacker. Who the fuck are y'all banning? Osa. Ban fucking Osa. bitch ass pussy in the window. Alrighty then. Put the bullshit. You play Bandit. I'm playing motherfucking Legion. Let these motherfuckers run in again. They're all gonna die.
I know that that's a lot on console, so we were right.
Really? That's crazy.
Device activated.
Like, what's the point of even separating shit? Like, they should just make it all one thing. There should be no console and PC anymore.
Shields going out. A shot. All set to jam the meridian. Lieutenant Sid, back easy.
Razor shell out.
Probably.
Placing a razor bloom.
What the fuck? How did I not hit her the first time? I know I lit somebody though. Oh, she was laying down like a bitch. Bravo's at that door. Oh, nice. It wasn't Bravo. They got somebody. Good. Watch it right. Bravo's on the balcony. Yeah. Oh, I'm so sorry. Spot's dead. I see. Okay. Sensei's got a cross path. Oh, good shot, Sensei. Good shot.
Gotta reload.
You decided to go upstairs. Balcony. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, look up. Look up, dumbass. What? Oh. Last one's balcony, and she's low now. Yeah. Going outside. Going outside. Means you're fucking retarded. Oh, maybe not. Wow. Wow. Wow, bro. Yeah. I want to ban Glass over Solid. Y'all are stupid. You guys are fucking stupid. Whatever. I'm about to buy my Lucy fucking bullshit. Whenever I get enough renown. I think I have enough renown already. I wanna go see the new Resident Evil. This shit looks sick.
Vault secured. Device activated.
Shoulda, coulda, woulda.
Let them come.
Yard. Hey, look, I'll even help you.
Reloading.
Oh, it won't let me put it down on the ground? That's crazy. Oh, yeah, well,
Kona station position.
I don't think it'll block the... Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna block the drones, though, bro. Just saying.
They're clear.
New magazine.
Device primed. Keep an eye on door. Doorway.
Coming backside, I think.
Station placed.
Device activated.
Yep, they're coming back. Oh, no, hit the main garage door. Oh, fail. Still trying to thatch it. Dude, they keep failing. Entry denial, device triggered, they're upstairs.
Device set.
And he's dead. Hell yeah.
Place device.
Damn.
Electroglow is on.
Hell yeah. They can't get into the garage door, they're coming from upstairs. They're camping out, droning. Hey, they're in sight. They're in sight, in sight. Okay, he did. Never mind. Focus on that door. Yeah.
I'm reloading.
Gonna be a glass on that door, watch. Ooh. She's gonna die if she comes through that door. Unless she destroys all the cap cans. I got two on. Yeah, I got. Yep. Ha! Bitch! She didn't check the other side like a dumb hoe. Bomb's right there, yep. He's down below. He's down below asleep, yep. Yeah, he's. Yeah, he's in the hallway. Tell him he's in back hall. Oh! Yeah. They almost won that one. I don't even know how he got that because none of those shots hit. But my shots cleared the body and cleared the head. Don't register. Vanity Fiendor. Horway Bannon. Thorn. Aruni. Fuck it, Aruni. It's fine.
No, you freaking lie. I know you don't know. But what's crazy is chess. You gonna load it? Chess. Chess.
Nice.
What the fuck is this? How do we sit here and spend all this fucking time, 4 fucking days in class, for you to put fucking magazine in backwards? What did I say? Tip of the fucking bullet against your index finger, live with a fucking magazine against the palm of your hand. But that's not what the fuck you did. You sat there and said, I got a goddamn better idea. I'm gonna and put this fucking shit in backwards and see that big goddamn word. Say every goddamn word. Now fucking fix it! Hold that gun right!
Nice kill.
Back that slide! So now we done lost the goddamn round. So what do we do these past 4 days? What do we do? Put the gun down! What do we do?
Somebody playing around in the stairwell area.
I don't know! Use your mouth! Learn what? How about that? How about that? Now pick that gun up! Hey! I've detected an enemy device. Throwing frag grenade.
Clash is right here. Bitch.
Advised. Enemy device.
Watch this funny shit. Watch this funny shit.
Enemy device.
Oh, Vigil's behind. Vigil's on fucking balcony window area. Main lobby, second story. That's Clash.
Activating shock probe.
Oh my god. Damn, you fucked up. Oh my god. Bro, that Vigil's fucking ridiculous. Pushing you right. Pushing you right. Vigil right there. Yep. To your left. Left. Behind you. Oh my god. Ban the Clash. Fucking pussies.
Hey, buddy. Spare a cap?
I mean, pussies use shields. Mm. That nigga smacked an alligator with a fucking shovel. That nigga said, "Boom!" That fucking alligator said, like, what the fuck? Yeah. Yeah, he fucking just throws it in his mouth. He's like,
Reloading!
hey, dry mouth. Talk about dry mouth. He's by me.
Reload. IED active. Sweeping perimeter. Bomb detected.
Loading mag!
Oh, he's shooting somewhere over here. Somewhere close. Thorn, she's low.
Frag grenade out.
Thorn's dead. Fuck you, Valk. Man. Valk's also playing downstairs roaming. What a cunt.
Going up.
Drone's ready. Loading mag! Setting charge!
Woo, we won. I don't know how. But we did. They traded. Well, one went down and one didn't. Do we have a rope? That's funny. That was my only excuse that we got a rope. Man, defender. Oh my. Oh yeah, Thorn. Okay. Why not Vigil? Yeah. He's no man. They're cocky. They're cocky. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, say mama sa, mama sa. You can eat my ass. What? With who? Ace? Hmm. Basement. Got my drone. Playing demos. Watch, as soon as I track her, she's gonna be like, "Fuck." I'll tell you, you can broadcast to the team. Put Mira.
Cluster charge deployed.
Alright, hitting it. I hear Cabby. Boom. Cabby's right here in lobby. Tell him Cabby's in front entrance.
Swapping mags!
Setting up a sequential breach.
I'm gonna hit her again. I don't give a fuck. Where you at, Cabby? Cabby dead.
Bringing
Hell yeah.
Cluster charge deployed. Placing cluster charge. Blowing cluster charge.
Oh, one's in fucking the wine room, wine cellar. Yep. One hallway. Ooh. Oh, good kill, Cup. Good kill. Alright, Smoke's the last one. He's behind the mirror. It's right there to your right.
Reload!
But yeah, okay, he's playing. Oh, there's a smoke trap. Shoot it. Just shoot it. Fuck him. Ah, he's like, wait. Alright, he's playing behind the mirror. There we go. Goo got his ass. Goo said, fuck you. He hopped in on with a shotgun. Hip fire. That nigga mad. Oh, they did or we did. All right. Let's do this right this time. No unnecessary peeking. Da. Guten Tag. We're not gonna do electrics? We're not gonna do electrics? Okay, I'll do electrics then. Your mom's gonna freeze them. Freeze! If she got the right kind of weapon in her hand, people are gonna freeze. They don't give a fuck if there's a badge or not. The fuck? If I got a motherfucking automatic assault rifle, you gonna stop. Motherfucker, if I tell you stop, you gonna stop. If not, you gonna get lit the fuck up like a Christmas tree in the middle of fucking July. Jesus fuck, dude. 5 assists. I got 3. Oh yeah, true that. True that.
Reloading.
Alright, fuck you, fuck that bullshit. Fuck that bullshit.
Camera in position.
Doorway,
Nope. Man, fuck these bitch ass niggas. How y'all doing? Are you on Twitch? Why are you gonna stand right in front of the window? Oh. Yeah, fuck that.
Activating camera.
Somebody got fooped.
New feed active.
They got a shield up, shield up. Yeah, they got a Monty right here. He just
Zoto in position. Zoto canister deployed.
Monty right there. Yeah, there's somebody behind him. There's somebody behind him. I think I hit his ass. No, he's walking away. Be careful. Yep.
I'm reloading. Zoto in position.
I'm reloading.
There you go. Ash is pushing backside. Oh, Monty? Probably Ash. Oh,
I'm reloading.
yeah. I'm. You're good. Fucking pussy, bro. What a cunt. Pussy. Fucking pussy, bro. I'll tell him, y'all stand no chance without Monty, bro. Pussies. Tell him in all chat. No chance without Monty. Fucking rats. I don't know how you got killed by Monty anyways. What the fuck? You let him, man, come on now. Playing too damn much, trying to push the shield, Jesse.
This was a terrifying alien creature.
Oh, wow. We only got the fucking, what you gonna call it? Oh, right. Yeah.
Launching drone.
It's fine. Got a warden.
Hostile spotted. Second floor.
Loading mag!
Warden dead.
Changing mags! Drone ready.
Mira's right there. Yeah, Mira's right on her, Mira. Yeah, fucking bitch. Oh, Vigil right here. But where the fuck is everybody? Y'all, man, I'm fucking done. Our teammates are fucking retarded. And they got an Echo. Oh, not anymore. Fuck you and your Echo, bitch. Echo's behind the wall. He's low. Ooh! Ooh! Pissed our teammate off and made y'all go off. Damn. Fuck this. Oh, we're going. Fucking. Fuck. Oh well, yeah. This'll work. No, since we're doing basement, is there somebody else doing? Okay, we got a bandit. Cool. That. Mm-hmm. I'm told it's Cappy Cam. That nigga blew solid, fuck. Alright, now that drone is gone, I can hit this fucking thing so that they don't realize that there's... Bro, they're about to get busted. They're about to get busted on watch. Doop. Watch this shit. Somebody about to die in that house.
Device positioned.
Nice.
Device prime. Device installed.
Oh yeah. There's a Thatcher. There's a Maverick. He's Mavericking. Yeah.
Device placed.
Grenade. Wow. Bye, bitch. Fuse.
Changing mags.
Last one's Fuse, bro. That's hilarious. Nope, he's coming upstairs. That's priceless. Let him. I got 3 cap cans on that door.
Shout out.
Oh. I'm upstairs. No, that's you. Come on.
Place nitro.
Looks like
Right here. Moving around. Bitch. Like I said, without a Monty, they ain't fucking shit. Their top player should have played a fucking Monty instead of a Thatcher. Fuck boy. Alright, I can play one more, but I really do gotta go to bed after that one.
Alright, what was in the
That was a good burp. That felt great. Very great. Oh, we all got matching t-shirts for the concert tomorrow. But we had to go to, I went to Hot Topic, $78 fucking dollars for 3 shirts. Yeah, that shit pissed me off. I should have spent $10 more and got the 30% off. I would have saved. I would have probably spent only like $60 instead. God damn it. God damn it. I listen to my wife again. Every time. You shut up. These nuts in your face.
I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? Me, I would that little kid head off. I ain't got time. I'm built in the. That's what I was. But in this video, bro, damn, even that shit right there, oh, damn, that's some real shit. And he had every right dead to nigga willing to give you a job, help you out your situation. Been on that side. Now, I ain't never been on that side. Man. I got steal from rob.
Oh, yeah.
All set. Banshee deployed.
But we have no electrics. See, why the fuck am I the only one that pays attention to that type of shit? I don't get it. I don't fucking get it, George. It's quite irritating. What, nigga? Nigga bro? We're about to find out, aren't we?
Lieutenant said
Damn, the zombies all the way on the other side of the map. I'm trying to spawn peek, you dumb bitch. Oh yeah, they're coming in through good old, I think. I got her. Stupid bitch. Doc clapped her shit in the face. Oh! 2 for 2. Oh no, as soon as I look away from the fucking window. God damn it. That's Nook. Oh, Nook got fucked. Alright, the other two in construction. This stupid bitch. You fucked up. Right there. Get both of them, bitch. You
He's one
stupid
shot.
bitch.
He's one shot.
Doc, he's inside. Tell him he's inside.
He's in construction to your left. Yeah, he's gonna come through there.
Wait, yeah.
He's one shot.
She might play window. Nope, nope.
Yeah, just hold down. We win the game.
Hit my goo too. Pushing 3, 2.
Good shit, bro.
Ooh, good play, good play. Ooh. Ban an attacker. Who are we banning? Yeah.
Who do we ban?
I don't even know who I killed other than Osa. It was Osa and, oh yeah, ban Nomad.
Nomad? Okay, cool.
Yep. They said, oh hell no. This nigga OP. OP. Can't do it. That's funny. Nah, fuck that. I'm not playing Denari. Fuck that. Capcan. With the different trap operator.
Driven by rage after his wife and daughter were murdered by the gang, he smeared asphalt across his face, crafting a hardened mask of vengeance for his family. Then on, whenever the gang conducted vaccine deals, Jack would sabotage them. The gang leader pushed to his devised a plan to uncover his adversary. He delivered
Can I get a breach?
two henchmen in base and his cameras inside the vaccine truck. Sure enough, Jack disappeared. He swiftly disposed of the henchmen and opened the truck door. A scene captured by the camera. The gang leader, watching the feed, stared in shock. Was this man?
No.
ADD mounted. Don't stand close. Stay clear. ADD prime. Stand clear.
Wall secured!
One on this wall. There are two on this wall. They're gonna blow this wall.
Man, they got the wall. Okay, okay.
Heartbeat sensor deployed.
Oh, they got.
Heartbeat sensor active.
It's not. It's Nook, whatever the fuck you want to call her. They took out all the other cams. Gemini. It's Gemini and Nook right there. It's okay. Mozzie's got the stairs. Mozzie's over peeking it like a dumbass. He's about to get domed. Yeah, you fucking retard, dude. This kid. Come on now. Lower. Aim. Lower. And she blew a hole into the metal wall. Hole in metal wall. Metal wall straight ahead. Yep. Knocks that right there. Planting. Planting. No, not planting. Wrong. Pushing. That'll work. No, it won't. Stupid bitch. Andy, you're fucking retarded. Stupid motherfucker.
My
man.
bad.
Stupid, stupid motherfucker. Let me dance in the middle of the wall. Really? You wanna ban the Nook? No, no. Ban the fucking Thatcher. You fucking retards. See? Now we took care of the main issue. Now we can play CCTV. And even better, you know what else we can do? Nobody's gonna play electrics. I gotta play electrics again. You guys fucking retarded. These teammates are retarded.
Reload.
Find the drone and kill it. Okay.
Popping mag.
Got one.
Barbed wire going up.
Loading new mag.
Surveying for hostiles.
Oh, they're going.
No, I'm trying to hit him. I'm trying to hit him through the drone hole. The hole.
Changing mags.
Deploying heartbeat sensor.
Yeah, they're in garage area.
Okay, now.
And I just got somebody. Oh, I killed two people. I got knocked and
Bandit, come here.
Gemini.
Bandit, come here.
Yeah, Ayana, whatever her name is.
I'm reloading.
Where's he at?
Sorry, I was trying to heal you.
The drone right here. I just saw a drone. Where'd it go? Oh, it's Ram, dude. It's Ram. It's Ram. He's low.
You moved. I missed.
I'm sorry,
I
twin.
suck. No, you're good. I suck with this fucking pistol.
Oh, she's dead. Ah! You're good. Reverse friendly fire has been deactivated. She's trying to get that kill. She's thirsty. Thirsty. Hell yeah. Ban. Let's see. No, ban their electrics, bro. They're following all of them are following my fucking votes. That's crazy. Actually, no, fuck that. They're gonna use Bandit, so all I gotta do is map it. Like trying to use electricity. Oh yeah, deadass. She was like, I didn't even get my fucking kill. The only reason she got me is because I flicked the wrong way. Lit deadass. You TK'd me, why are you saying sorry? Oh, so they don't try to kill you. Gotcha. You can just tell them that's my homie. Alright, bedrooms. That's fine. Alright. Oh no, 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 no. I'm alive. How do you know though? Anybody want to come pick a brother up? Andy's coming. Thank you, Andy.
Hey, Fakata, you're all right.
Of course.
They almost got me, but I came back from the dead. Come on, bitch.
Yeah, of course. You're welcome.
Making a hole!
Dom panel deployed.
This isn't the end for you.
Changing.
There you go.